Okay, this is a hook used on JUKI LS1341. I will show you the structure and how it works. You can see the inner part of this hook. It can spin freely. This piece used to hold it without fall apart. I took off the 3 screws already. Let's take it apart and see how it looks like inside. You can see this piece can spin freely. You can see here is a small green piece. This is wicks to contain some oil to lubricate the hook. You can see here except 3 holes for screws, there's an extra small hole. This one is for oil. So before you use the machine, you should drop a little bit oil into this hole to lubricate the hook. You can see even you take this part, which hold the inner piece off already, still you cannot take it out. How can we take it out? You see here, this piece here is a gap. You should turn it around. To move the gap here, then you can pick out easy. I'll show you why. You see here is a bit higher than the rest of the part. It works like a guide for the inner piece of the hook. This area will hold this piece. So, if you want to take it out, you should turn it around. Move this gap this way. Then you can take it out easy. Now you could understand if the hook got jammed. Normally, here or under there stuck some thread which will make the inner piece of the hook cannot move anymore. So even you take off the screws, you cannot remove the inner piece of the hook. So take this piece away will not help. So, how we fix a jammed hook. I will show you a trick way on the machine. You see the hook of this machine got jammed. You can see some thread over here, it stuck the hook. As I showed you before, even you remove this part, it will not help. Because you cannot remove the inner piece of the hook. We will cut the thread, make it small. You will need a lighter, like this one. You can burn the thread. At the same time, move the hand wheel back and forth. You can see when the thread melt down, the hook can move around and get rid of the jammed thread. Problem solved.